London.
Hello, my name is Phil Walker. I'm from San Francisco, California.
Hi, my name is Saada. I'm from Nigeria.
Hello, I'm Anna from Austria.
Valerie from America.
I'm Nisha Lavnis Mutanga, all the way from Botswana, Africa.
Hi, my name's Jenny. I'm from Queensland in Australia.
My name is Sevinch Sevil. I came to Australia.
My name is Shabana. I'm from California.
I came to Dr. Gupta's clinic to have my breast lift, surgery and liposuction and BBL.
I came to India and have this skin tightened.
I decided to visit India for body contouring.
I came to India to get an hourglass shape.
I got a tummy tuck.
I wanted to have some breast implants and my liposuction.
I've been wanting a tummy tuck.
To get fat grafting into my face.
I came here to do breast reduction.
My results are just perfect. My breasts, I love my breasts a lot. They're the perfect in the whole world. That's what I've been telling all my friends. And my shape, as you can see, my waist is just perfect. I love the curve. I love my bump. I'm a bit swollen at the moment, but I love it.
I literally was able to see the jawline again that I had had when I was in my 30s. Okay? It's no different jawline, it's just outlined again. And the main thing I was looking for was a plastic surgeon who was not going to do too much. And that's what I found in Dr. Gupta.
Okay, my experience coming to India, more especially, let's say, coming to Skinnovation Clinic, is one of the most amazing experiences I've ever had in my life. And then they have actually amazing facilities, their services, the workers and everything, the nurses, doctors, everyone is amazing. Actually, they've been good to us, and then it was very easy access for us. When we arrived in India, they sent a transportation to carry us, take us to the clinic, and then from there, to be honest, everything is just amazing.
I wasn't in pain, and honestly I was waiting when the pain is coming because I was expecting that I have to come pain, but no, I'm now 5 days post-op and I'm doing so great. Every day is getting better, but no pain at all.
I am absolutely amazed at the results.
This surgery, I've been dreaming about it, and doctor has given me my dream body, and it's something that I can't explain how I feel right now. I'm so happy.
Extremely happy with the way that I was treated. I love my new body.
I was so happy whatever he has done. So my experience is great. I think it was a good decision to come here and to see him.
The choice to come to India was not because of the amount of the money that I will be saving on the surgery. It was the quality, not the quantity. And that's why I ended up coming in here, knowing that they have best surgeons such as Dr. Gupta. And the hospital experience has been amazing. All the nurses have been so clean, helpful through the procedure, and been a great experience.
Okay, I would like to say a few words about Dr. Gupta. He's very professional. He knows exactly what he's doing. I would say he's the best surgeon in the whole world.
I love Dr. Gupta and his team.
This is the message to Dr. Rajat Gupta and his team. They did amazing work. We are grateful.
So I had liposuction on the abdomen, back, thighs, knees, face, buccal fat removal, and fat grafting to my buttocks and my breast. All in one procedure. I feel great, and I really can recommend the hospital. Dr. Rajat Gupta is a very good surgeon, and yeah, come here to India and get it done.
Very good. Actually cares about what you look like and what results that you get. I feel like he actually does this to make you look better, not just for the money. So to me, that's a huge thing. That was part of the reason that I chose him over a few others that I talked to.
Okay, at first when I met him, I was a bit scared. You know, it's hard coming from Africa all the way to India. It's my first time meeting him, so obviously I'll be scared. But after the surgery, he's a very nice man. He made me to feel comfortable. Thank you, doctor. I love you so much. And for the rest of the staff, thank you very much.
My surgeon, I want to take him home with me. Dr. Gupta is fantastic. He has great manners, he has a great presence, and he's very knowledgeable. He knows what he's doing, and I'm so glad that I picked him.
First of all, he's a very good looking man. He's a good start and very reliable and very knowledgeable, and he knows what he's doing, and he's doing his job with love. It is not for money. That's what I'm feeling. And he's very experienced surgeon, very reliable. I recommend him to everyone. So come to India and get the surgery done. You will not be regretful.
Dr. Gupta is an amazing doctor. Very helpful, very gentle, very kind, very knowledgeable. He ran me through the process from A to Z, made sure that I'm comfortable with every question that I have. And he's amazing. I would recommend everyone to go to him and have a smile like I have the smile.